7 days ago, my life wasn't normal. I was busy but not productive. I was tired, but I hadn't achieved anything. And the most dangerous part, I had accepted that maybe my life would stay like this. Then I made one decision. I stopped waiting for motivation, and I started testing just 5 small habits for 7 days. Just 7 days, no excuses. Habit 1, I stopped touching my phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Before, I was giving my energy to the world. Now, I started giving my energy to myself. And suddenly my mind felt calm. Habit 2, I forced myself to do hard things first. Easy things give dopamine. Hard things build identity. After that, I started respecting myself. Habit 3, I disappeared for 1 hour every day. No noise, no people, just me and my thoughts. In that silence, I realized something. Distraction was my biggest weakness. Habit 4, I kept small promises to myself. Not big goals, just small promises, because self-trust is built when you stop betraying yourself. Habit 5, I reminded myself daily, nobody is coming to save me. No perfect moment, no perfect mood, only me and my next decision. And then something unexpected happened. My life didn't magically become perfect, but I started becoming a disciplined person instead of a weak one. Confidence came, focus came, control came. I realized something powerful. Life doesn't change when you do more. Life changes when you finally do what you've been avoiding. In just 7 days, my life didn't completely change, but I changed. And when a person changes, their entire life changes automatically.